The apparatus shown can be used to demonstrate the deflection of beta radiation in a magnetic field. I'll show you how to do this. First, switch on the scaler and set the voltage to about 450 volts. Record the count rate. Then, put a collimator in front of the beta source. The collimator is used to produce a narrow beam of beta radiation. Set up a downward magnetic field between the beta source and the GM tube. Measure the count rate again. Does the count rate change? Now, move the GM tube to find the direction in which the beta radiation deflects. Try to determine the sign of the charge on beta particles using Fleming's left-hand rule.